Hi everyone, Darko here for your daily trade example. Let's see here. We had a trade on Euro Swissy. Let's hear what I had to say about this trade, and I will talk you through it. So you will be hearing two PMAs. The first one when I made this into a pending order and the reasons behind it, and the second PMA is actually when the market is going against us. So by the time I was recording, price was somewhere in here, and yeah, the trade was against us. We never got stopped out. So I will talk to you soon. So I have to be honest. This long-term trading is big. My passion for long-term trading is just growing like 300% each day. This is the best thing I have ever done in my trading career. So very nice. Monthly neckline. I see this yearly candle closing bearish. So this is nothing like if I go here, this has just been heading down since 1972. I wasn't even born. This has been like one-way ticket down. So yeah, the bias is short. The yearly candle, probably will be closing bearish. We have a monthly neckline, which is also a weekly neckline in here. Okay, we have an entire weekly candle closing below that level. There might be a correction upward in here. This is definitely a trade I will be looking for entry in here with a high stop loss. There are there are actually three stop losses. One in here, and one in here. The first one makes sense to me. So yeah, and there are, like I said, give and take on every levels that you could take. So let's see how things goes. Euro Swissy. This was a pending order, monthly level. This pair has been going down. My bias is 100% bearish on a bigger picture. We had this monthly neckline in here, which is also a weekly neckline. Price holding and respecting that level very strongly, like candles in here, and then we broke significantly. The majority of the candle closing bearish below that level, got filled in here, and right now is just going against us, and this is my stop loss. There are several ways. This is good enough. If we breach this level, I'm not interested in this trade anymore. A bit strange market conditions that I maybe not recognize perfectly. There are some stuff going on around the world. It's nonetheless, this candle is 100% bearish, and now all of a sudden we are building just right after that, building this. It doesn't make sense to me, to be dead honest. If this closes like this, then we might be due. That's at least a clue that we do something like this. Price goes down, and then we go up to the levels that we were waiting for initially, and then gives you this. So technically, if you go down to your entry time frame, price has established. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that clearly the open, close, high and low is clearly away from your significant neckline. That means technically resistance now officially became support. Do you need to get panicked? No. You can risk reduce if you so wish, or you just leave your stop loss in here and see what happens. Okay, so right now this trade is going against us, but nothing has changed. I wouldn't say there's no need to get nervous. So let's see. This might be a full loss. If that's the case, if I'm not mistaken, this could be the first full loss in 2022. Let's see. It's not over until it's over, like I always say. There you go. So you just heard me in the second PMA that price was, if I'm not mistaken, at this level in here, and the trade went against us by some pips. But I also said it's not over until it's over. If it's a full loss, so be it. We have our stop loss above this line in here. This was a written down, or at least a said game plan that was very strict and once you have a game plan, then it doesn't matter if price goes against you, because you know why you enter this trade in here, you know why you have your stop loss in here, and obviously you have a profit target down in here. So basically what happened in here, price went down. Okay, it took us like, we got filled in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days later, price hits this level. Well, this is a no-brainer level. Okay, so by the time I enter this trade, I think the stop loss was around 95 pips. Let me just make this sure that I don't give you any wrong numbers. So from here up to this level is, sorry, just give me one sec. Yeah, I had the numbers wrong for some reason. So this was the monthly neckline, and obviously it needed like 130-ish pips. So when we hit this level in here, price was up 1-to-1. Okay, so what I did is that I took hit the TP1, and this was the stop loss, always 20 to 25 pips, let's just say 25 pips above this highest point, and then I trailed that stop loss up to in here. And now when we are doing another lower high and a lower low, then you can be reducing the risk even more further. Okay, and now this is heading down currently, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here, this was the fill, and price is down 173 pips, so that's way more than 1-to-1. So let's see if we hit the final target. So, and this is the thing when you are live coaching the market, is that I'm talking like every Mondays and Thursday when I'm providing these PMAs. I'm actually going through candle by candle. You know what, we took this trade, price was again, and you hear me grabbing the mic and telling you, like, you know what, don't get panicked, we are in this trade, and the trade is going against us, there's nothing to do, just sit back and relax. And obviously like 1 week later we were in profit, took that profit, and now this can never be a losing trade anymore. So, and we never know that this could have been a full loss at the same time. So that happens. Trading is a risky business. You need to have a rock solid game plan. Win, lose, draw. As long as you are following the game plan, then everything is good. If you are interested in what we are providing, so make sure you check our website out. So just go to forexmentor.com/cc, and you will see more about our service. And if you have any questions, send us an email and we will get back to you. You either send an email to Vic, that's Vic Noble at forexmentor.com, or you send an email to me, Darko at forexmentor.com. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.